Hi everybody, it's Sanna here today again, and this time we are unboxing the October kit. So this is the Wild Hare Kits October Petite Kit, and it says on the shipping documents, I'm just reading from here, we hope you love your October kit. We wanted to stretch the Petite Kit, so we included a cut apart and as well as the inspiration 12 by 12 paper for fussy cutting. We also thought you could make some DIY embellies with the 2x2 squares. And I didn't get the cut file. Because I will download it and cut it myself with my Cameo and use it then later. So I didn't get the cut file into the kit, which doesn't matter at all. And this, like I said, is a Petite Kit. A little bit stretched one, so it's a little bit bigger than a regular Petite Kit, and so it costs $19.95 plus shipping and handling, and for myself the shipping to Europe is about $13 every time, so it depends where you order to. It's because I'm in Austria, so it costs me about $13. So that's it. That's the note that was with the kit, that came with the kit, and let's open this one. I haven't opened this yet, so we'll see what it says. Hi Sanna, happy October crafting, Alison. So there's this lovely thank you card. I really find this really nice that they add a note, a handwritten note to every single kit. And let's open this beauty. It's already looking so good. I'm excited to see what's inside. So let's put this aside and let's start with the papers. So this time I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 papers. In my September kit I only had 2 papers, but lots of smaller sheets. So it really depends on what you're planning on doing and what type of wishes you write on your style profile. And this time they said they wanted to stretch it a little bit so that I can do a little bit cut apart and fussy cutting and also create embellishments with this one. But let's start with the papers. So this is Pink Fresh Studio, I think. The paper's called Busy. So true, always busy. And I think that's the office hours collection. Yes, it is. It says so on the shipping documents, and I like this one a lot. I live in organized chaos and I'm good with it. That one is so good. Out of office, office hours, hello, my name is Memo, thinking of a master plan. These are so good. Need more coffee every single day. I'm very busy. Yay, a little Wi-Fi break. That's also so true. Show up and do good work. Yeah, good motto. And the B side is just polka dot paper in pink tones. I really like this one a lot. And then the second paper is by Pink Paisley. Oh, that's cool. Paige Evans, Truly Grateful. Oh, that's pretty. These are like these German clocks. And then there's a polka dot pink paper on the other side, the B side. This is a fun one. This will work really nicely with the office hours paper. And then the next one is also by Pink Fresh Studio. And it's called Hard Work. This will be a fun one to work with. Really like this one. This time I'm liking the A sides really lots. Not so much the B sides, because there's so much eye candy on these papers, so you can just, you know, do so much with them. Then there's I Am Mom from EcoPark Paper. I think I got I Am Mom on my guest design team kit in back in January, and really liked it. So that's a cool paper. Oh, I love this color. Beautiful yellow. Perfect for fall. Oh wow, this is pretty. Hold on, Office Hours, Pink Fresh Studio, and the paper's called Inspiration. Truly is an inspiration. Good job today, you got this. Work, just start. I love this one, beautiful. And then this I have seen, people have been scrapbooking this side a lot. But I kind of like this one really a lot. So I think I'm going to use this one first. Love the papers, really, really pretty. So I've got 5 in my Petite Kit. Then I've got these fun ones. These are Truly Grateful swatch books by Paige Evans Pink Paisley. So let's see what these are like. So I got 2 packs of 2 inches by 2 inches pattern swatches. So let's get a quick flip through if we can. So there are apples, polka dots, I don't know, geometrical pattern, but lovely colors. Flowers, some more flowers. Oh, I love this one. This one is really nice too. This is a difficult one for me, but let's see what I can make with this one. Really like that one too. Beautiful. Oh, stars, this is nice. And every single one is a different one. Oh, that's cool. Hearts, trees, beautiful. Okay, so I think it's half-half, so you get like twice every single paper. Yeah, I think so. Looks like it. So you got all the patterns that I showed you that I flipped through, and then another set. So it's twice the value. Really cool ones. I haven't used this type of tiny papers yet, but these are really cool for embellishments, and if you do DIY embellishments, these are perfect backgrounds, or you know, for fussy cutting, for whatever. And this one is called Truly Grateful Phrases. So there is a phrase on every single one. Happy day, home sweet home, celebrate, love you so much, thank you very much, you are loved, love, I think you're pretty amazing, magic and wonder, like this one a lot, grateful, shine, hello, happy day, right now, wishing you good luck, stay golden, enjoy your day, and a heart. And then it starts all over again, so you get the same. It's the same idea like on the first one. Really like these. These are really cool. So I got those. Then what else? Oh, I love these. I really like the Office Hours collection. That is so cool. So this one is also again Office Hours by Pink Fresh Studio and mixed embellishments. So I got 41 pieces. That goes a long way. So there are these are like enamel stickers or something like that. There are words on them, and then normal regular enamel dots. Then just some 3D layered embellishments, creative process, work, just start, making things happen, dream, plan, do. Really nice sentiments in there. Love this one. Really, really like this one a lot. Then what's next? Chipboard stickers. How cool are these? A little bit texture and dimension to a layout. Pink French Studio again. And lots of nice things in here. Really like these. These will be a great addition for a layout and also for creating embellishments. I've got ideas coming already. Okay, so that's it. That's my kit for October. So it's a stretched Petite Kit. And like I said, the cut file was not in because I'm going to download it and use it, cut my own with my Cameo at home, so they didn't have to send it to me. That's it. That's my beautiful, beautiful October kit. And you will be seeing projects and videos on my YouTube channel, work created with this kit, and also make sure to stop by my blog and see, because some of my projects I don't do a video for, so you only can see a step-by-step photo step-by-step on my blog, for example. So keep an eye on that space too. Thanks so much for watching. I'm excited to start working with this one. See you soon. Bye.